it's consistent in the true sense of unity in diversity. And I'm greatly honored. We have to continue to work on it. It's a work in progress for the sake of our country and the continent as a whole.
I think it's very, very symbolic and indicative of the great solidarity that he continues to show, not just to the Muslim community, but to the entire Christian community. He has shown that this solidarity with the millions of people who are of the Catholic faith in Nigeria by attending this Mass, being himself a Muslim. This has also shown his commitment to the advancement of peace, not just in the African region, but globally also, because this particular Pope is committed to the restoration of peace in Ukraine. He's committed to the restoration of peace in Gaza. And these are aspirations also shared by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you also have to underscore the personal element, because the Secretary of the Vatican, Cardinal Parolin, actually extended this invitation to President Bola Tinubu on behalf of the Pope of the Augustine Order, who had spent quite a great deal of time in Nigeria. So he has a personal connection and affiliation to Nigeria. And it was quite important to the new pontiff that the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a country that he has a great deal of fondness for, share this very special installation event with him.
Thank you.
Stop, just
See them. All those, they're not sabi anything. Come, see, let's carry you.
So sometimes you shift to the people coming in. You understand? It's just small camera shifting and so.
Thank you.
Well, I think for me, what the president has shown is that he's a man who's tolerant of all religions and who believes in interfaith harmony and who has even demonstrated it by the kind of appointments he made. I read somewhere that the president has made over, out of his cabinet, 62% of them are Christians. That shows the kind of man he is. What he has gone to show is that all of us Nigerians, either we are Christians or Muslims, we are worshiping the same God. And that by honoring the invitation from the Pope to attend this event is to further show Nigerians that we all belong to the same, we are the same people. We may have different religions, we may have different perspectives about God, but we are worshiping one God. And that's what he has shown by coming to this event.
Well, it changes the misconception that Nigeria is not a free, fair place to worship for multiple religious faith. So it shows the fact that a Muslim president can be accepted and is liberal to carry the whole country along. So he represents not only the Muslim faith, but also Christians in Nigeria. And it changes the perception that Nigeria has this, everlasting sectarian conflict between Christian and Muslim. So it shows that the Vatican, the papal, can see it fit to invite the president to represent the great country of Nigeria and show the fact that religion, freedom of religion is something that is prevalent and is also recognized by the leadership of Nigeria.